only for interesting activities for this day. Activity 1. A sketch on the dangers of social networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram will be played. Activity 2. My classmate Muhammad Njai and Mariama Jallo will address a very important message to our parents. Activity 3. My classmate Neifatu Njai and Neifatu Fai will address another message to students to draw their attention on the risk of social networks. And finally, we will sing a very nice song on the freedom of African people. Thanks for your lovely attention. Activity 1. A sketch on the dangers of social networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram will be played. Come on here.
Good afternoon, kids. Good afternoon, kids. Good afternoon, kids. Am I not greeting you? What is your problem?
Good afternoon. We are going to meet our classmates.
Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm having a rest.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Where is your mom? Where is your mom? Where is your mom? What's the matter? Why don't you answer me?
We are sorry, Dad.
Hey, give me your phone right now.
Good afternoon, Mango. You are not happy. What's your problem?
Good morning, Musa. Afternoon, Musa. Sit down, please.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not happy because my kids are addictive to cell phone.
Okay, I understand you. Today, kids are dependent on social network. Let's sensitize them.
Yes.
Dear parents, today in a rapidly moving world, we can see change everywhere. Dear parents, today in a rapidly moving world, we can see change everywhere. Thanks to social networking sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, life has become easier. However, social network sites have negative effect on the life of many adolescents. They affect their education and behavior. They disrupt their studies, time, and destroy their spelling skills. Today, because of social networks, many kids are addictive and difficult to control. The impact is so powerful that kids abandon their real world interest. Their emotional life is restricted to the site. Their happiness or sadness depends on the reply which they receive from other users. They cannot control themselves from constantly chatting, replying, and sharing of ideas. So social networks also promote isolation, depression, distraction, fake news. Thank you for your attention.
Chers parents, aujourd'hui dans un monde qui bouge rapidement, nous pouvons voir des changements partout. Grâce aux réseaux sociaux comme WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, la vie est devenue plus facile. Cependant, les réseaux sociaux ont des conséquences très négatives sur la vie de plusieurs adolescents. Ils ont des impacts négatifs sur leur éducation et leur comportement. Ils perturbent leur temps d'étude et détruisent leur prononciation. Aujourd'hui, à cause des réseaux sociaux, beaucoup d'adolescents sont dépendants et difficiles à contrôler. Les conséquences sont si énormes que les enfants abandonnent l'intérêt qu'ils accordent à la vie. Leur vie émotionnelle est limitée au site. Leur bonheur ou tristesse dépend des réponses qu'ils reçoivent des autres usagers. Ils ne peuvent pas s'empêcher de se connecter, de répondre et de partager des idées. Les réseaux sociaux font aussi la promotion de l'isolement, la dépression, la distraction et la propagation des fausses nouvelles. Merci de votre aimable attention.
Dear schoolmates, this important message is for you and me. If we want to succeed in our studies, it's time for you and me to limit our use of cell phones. It's time for you and me to respect our parents' advice. It's time for you and me to focus on our studies. We should learn our lesson and do our homework. We should not compromise our future because